All right, back by popular demand. This is Tom DeRazio again from Delco Cleanouts, and we're here doing a basement in Sharon Hill, and we're going to give you 3 tips on how to prepare for a clean out and how to accomplish it. So let's go downstairs and see what nightmare awaits us. All right, so here we are in the basement. I have my son Steven pan around and show you what we got. We even got a back room. Unfortunately, there's no light there, so we can't see what's in there. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of stuff that we have. So there's 3 tips to cleaning out a basement or a house or any other space that's really loaded with a lot of junk. If you're dealing with a stairwell the way we are here, you want to clean out a section over here. So what we want to do is clear out this section so that we have plenty of room to be bringing up the debris once we start putting them in cans and so forth. Try to go through stuff before you do your clean out to see what you want to keep. But when it's time for the day, when the day comes for the clean out, you want to just go in a full motion and get everything going because you're going to wind up being in the same situation. You're in this situation because you hoarded everything or collected everything. Now, 80 to 90% of the stuff that we do on a clean out, I'm going to be honest with you, is junk. So there's no reason to be going through every little box. Just get the boxes, get a system going, and get it out, whether you're using a truck or whether you're using a dumpster. Third tip is going to be to make sure you have enough manpower. Not every job can be done with 1 or 2 people. You're going to have at least 3, 4 people to do something. Whether it takes you 1 day, whether it takes you 2 days. If you run into a situation where it's just beyond your capabilities, that's when you call somebody like us. And Delco Cleanouts comes in with a crew of guys, and we usually accomplish something like this in a day. We've already cleaned out half of the home as it is, so we're going to start on the basement today, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after we're finished, and then we're going to move on to removing all the carpets. So we'll see you in a little bit. As you can see by the look of me, we're all done. We got everything out. We put our plan into operation and it went smoothly. We cleared out the basement in about, I'd say, under 3 hours. We'll walk you back here. There was a room back here we didn't show you. This was packed. So this is all cleared out. So like I said, we gave you the 3 tips on how to accomplish a bigger type clean out. The only thing that I can't figure out on these jobs is that I sweat 20 gallons of water out, but I don't lose a pound. So we'll see you next time. Again, Tom DeRazio from Delco Cleanouts. Visit us at www.delcocleanouts.com or give us a call at 610-638-1284.